इस्तकबाल है। खैरताबाद में वाक़ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग में से रोज़ा सेमिनार मुनक़िद हुआ। सेमिनार के आखिरी दिन लखनऊ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के प्रोफेसर को मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर मदऊ किया गया था। सेमिनार के दौरान इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के तलबा और इनके मुस्तकबिल पर बातचीत की गई। मेहमान प्रोफेसर ने अपने खिताब में कहा कि तालीम हासिल करने का मकसद सिर्फ रोज़गार नहीं बल्कि अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में तब्दीली लाना है। उन्होंने तालीम को रोज़गार से जोड़ने की सख्त मुखालिफत की है।
The primary objective of Indian Engineering Congress is to provide a platform for all the engineers and technologists from different parts of the country who want to showcase innovation as the pathway for the progress. So what has happened in last 4 days is we have collected lots of researchers, technologists, academicians, students, and most importantly industry representatives who are all united with a single theme. How do we embed the innovation and sense of innovation as the path for progress? As you are aware, there are any number of progress oriented activities that are taken up. Just because they are run of the mill and routine in nature, we are not able to create a niche for ourselves. We just thought we can create a platform by providing some kind of an outlet, some kind of a message that for us to take up the position of the competency and primacy, we should be innovating. So Professor C.N.R. Rao, the winner of Bharata Ratna, he came here and gave a message how in spite of being extremely proficient in research programs and engineering programs, just because of the paucity of spirit as far as innovation is concerned, we are not being able to progress the way other countries are progressing. The other important problem which we faced, which we address in this engineering congress is, we have lakhs of engineering students who are getting into the engineering education and coming out of the campuses with a single motto of getting the jobs. But when they come out of the campuses, you can make out that their aim is just to get a job, just to get financial prosperity, and end effect of which is only limited to betterment of their family condition financially. If you can introduce an element of ethics, attitude, ethos, as has been proclaimed by Swami Vivekananda ji, each of the engineering students who is getting out of the engineering college will not think about only becoming an engineer, but he will think of becoming a contributor. And when he becomes a contributor, he is not interested in showing the problems, he is interested in showing the solutions. So along with a company called iBecome, Institution of Engineers is embarking on a very important activity of transforming engineering education, engineering students into contributors.